Music is another great way to add dimension to your presentation, especially PowerPoint, and it's a great way to introduce and close your presentation. And you can do it by using the insert icon or toolbar at the top of your page for PowerPoint. So to get started, select the Insert tab, and you're going to come here to Media Clips, and you want sound. So then you have to decide where you want your music. I want it on my title slide, so I'm going to make sure I'm selected and I'm on my title slide ready to begin. So I'm going to select the bottom half of the icon. And I need a sound from File. So I'm going to select that. And my computer is going to open up to the prompt where music might be saved. I have some music saved to my desktop. What I would suggest is if you do music digitally, iTunes or MP3 player, Windows Movie Media Player, make a file on your desktop for music files or for digital music. So we're going to select where we want a song. Select the song you want, click OK. Now a little prompt is going to come up here and it's going to ask you, how do you want the sound to start in the slideshow? It could start automatically. That means when you begin the presentation, it will play by itself, or you can do it when clicked. If you want a little more control over your presentation, I would suggest using when clicked. As you can see here now, there's a little icon in the center of your page that says that's a horn. That's your sound. So click on it and drag it over to one of your corners in the presentation. So it's not, because you don't want it in the center of your presentation, I would put it in one of your four corners right here. So then the next thing is you want to hear it. So if you select again, click on it, you will notice at the top of your page Sound Tools. Select Sound Tools and you're going to have several options come up. If you click Preview, it'll play the song for you. Now, one thing to keep in mind is the song will not play throughout the entire presentation. It will only play when it's on this slide. So, if you click Preview, it will play it for you. Click Preview again, it will stop. If you want sound on each slide, then you have to add it, insert it individually on each slide in the same process. So if you wanted music on your second slide or on slide 1. So again, that's how you add music to your presentation. What I would suggest keeping in mind is keep your songs short. Make sure they're appropriate to the content and they're not too distracting from what you're trying to present. So remember, use your Insert tab, the sound icon, and you're ready to start exploring putting music into your presentation.